Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial with software design. Today I want to teach you how you can handle your text in CorelDRAW. Basically, most of my students will be like, we we don't handle text professionally. You don't handle the way you approach your text. It tends to be defeating. You don't show that kind of professionality for your client. For instance, let's give it a try by typing. Let's say we want to write motion. This motion right here. This is motion. Let's give it an official font. Let's say Bebas. Bebas. Enter this official font. And in terms of moving to handle your text, let's shift this up. Handling your text, it is wrong to shape your text in this way. As a beginner graphic designer, your handling your text entails is you can't be squeezing or be adjusting your text in this way. This is wrong. This is a very wrong way of scaling up your text. The ideal way of scaling, let's undo and see. This is the right way to undo text. In this manner, it moves progressively. So, in the progressive manner, you handle your text with a form of professionality and you tend to convince your client. Let's say, for instance, you tend to bring up a text like it tends to hide the beauty of this text. So, as a designer, handling text in your design is very, very, very important, and it shows you are a very serious graphic designer. So, right now, please and please, please do not drag your text this way. Do not drag your text. Ensure to hold by the angles to have an equal scale out of the entire text in this format. So thank you, and we'll see you in our next tutorial. And if you love our tutorial, remember to subscribe and share the like button.